Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Cytochrome C feedback questions look tricky, but this one is fast if you track whether the response reduces the signal or amplifies it. Start with the pathway given. DNA damage causes cytochrome C release, cytochrome C activates caspase 9, and that leads to even more cytochrome C release, so the original signal gets amplified. That pattern is positive feedback because the product of the pathway increases the same process that started it, instead of shutting the pathway down or balancing it out. So the best choice must say positive feedback and specifically state that released cytochrome C helps trigger the release of more cytochrome C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing signs. Rule, trust the given pathway and check whether the response amplifies the original signal.